What's up, guys? It's Limitless Ayla here. Today I'm going to be working on one of our trailers that we have outside. It's pretty old. It needs all of the wood redone. So I'm going to be sanding the wood and repainting it, and I'm going to show you guys how that goes. Just get some good content. Meet you guys outside. Okay, guys. We were outside. I want to move the trailer up to the garage because it will just be easier because I have a square sander that needs an extension cord. And the closest extension cord is the garage. So I have to move that trailer up to the garage. So, geez, I'm a mess. So you guys are going to join me for that. I've actually never recorded myself with this GoPro, so if you can't see me that well, I'm sorry. I mean, that might work. If not, at least you can see half of it. My bad, my bad. Is it still getting me? Let's go. So I think I can go back more, but I definitely need to lift the trailer. Okay, I definitely need to go up more. It's okay. It's a learning process. Ugh. Alright guys, I got one camera set up for the time lapse, which is behind me, but you guys will be seeing that on the corner of the screen. I'll be putting it on there somewhere, but I'm going to start this UTV. We're going to head up to the top of the house and replace this battery so we can keep recording. So let's get to it. We're back up to the house and we're getting a new battery. I'll check back on you guys once I get this new battery. I feel like I need that. The Muppet song, I think, is Phenomena. Phenomena. Maybe I'll put that in while I'm driving. We've arrived at our destination. Lego. Looks like I might just miss the storm, but we're gonna still do it anyway. Alright, let's start getting ready. I think I'm gonna switch it into time-lapse mode for both of them, but I'm not sure. There you go, bada bang, bada boom. I'm listening to an audiobook. It's called the 3 AM series, read by Nick Parag. So if y'all want to read it, listen to it. I got it on Audible. Pretty damn good, if you ask me. Let's get to it. An hour of sanding. I've got most of the big sanding done. I just need to pull out the square sander and start sanding all these edges. Show you guys that real quick. So I've got all this done, but as you can see, there's bird shit. I haven't gotten the edges yet. I'm gonna use the square sander to get the edges, but I just did a light sanding on all this. Alright guys, I got it all set up. Let's start sanding. So when my mom went and picked up the stain, it came clear. It didn't come with the color on it. So they just told me to use it as a base coat, and then we're gonna get a colored stain just because this trailer's so old. But I'm letting it all dry now. You can see I did not get that spot out of every other spot. Almost the whole trailer painted. I ran out of paint. So, dilemmas. I am done. I'm going to move the trailer so my mom can pull in, and then I'm calling it. It's been a very long day. I got a mask stuck on my face. Okay guys, it's day 2 of working on this trailer. I have sanded everything already. I have painted the first layer down. Now sadly, we had to put it on so thickly because the trailer is so old and it's so dry that we couldn't actually get a spot done as I showed prior. The day before, we actually have a whole chunk that did not get done. So we got more paint yesterday, and they gave us the right one this time. Same one as yesterday, but it just has actual color in it now that we want it to be, because they didn't color it at all last time. So they gave us a full refund and just put color in this one. I'm just going to be putting this one on the trailer now, getting the spot I missed a little thicker, and then just putting a light coat over everything else. Probably going to sand down the trailer a little bit, just the metal. Trying to get ready to spray paint the rest of it a black semi-gloss. I'm just going to be using this paint, painting the rest of the trailer, getting that final finish on the wood, and then that's it. So I might make a part 2, sanding it and painting it, or I might just put it all in one video. Not sure. So if not, you'll see that in part 2. And if I ain't making one, then, well, you're watching it right now. So there you go. But I gotta shake this paint up real good. So it doesn't come out multicolored or not consistently the same color. Oh. Probably pretty good. We got it yesterday. Let me show you guys real quick. So, as I said, we got the right one without the color. So, as you can see, this whole spot right there, I did not get to. Just this chunk. But the rest of it, I got to. At least it has its first coat down, which will be awesome. Because then it'll just make it better and more resistant to scratches, and now it has the sand paint, so it has some sand in the paint, so when you're walking on it, you don't slip, because it used to be super slippery wood. But like I said, we're just going to go over this bit first, let it dry, and then go over the rest of it with a light coat, and then come back on this last so we can get a thicker coat there, so it's equal with the rest of it. So let's get to it. I'm going to be doing a time lapse probably. So enjoy. I'll see you guys in a momento. finished. Not finished, but we've did. Whew, butterfly scared me. But we put a layer on it of gray. I still have about half of the can left, so I think I might go back over it with another layer and get inside of those wood crevices. But other than that, it looks really good, feels really good. I just need to let it dry for a little bit before I do another layer so it doesn't peel up the paint. But I'm gonna go inside and take a break, and then I will come back out in a little bit and check in with you guys. So see you in 1 second. Alright guys, we are back outside. Just got done taking a little bit of a break. Show you guys how the trailer looks after it's been drying for a little bit. I definitely think it looks a lot better than yesterday. And it looks really good. So, just a couple things, but I'm gonna go over it with another layer because we still have half the can. I'm gonna try and fill in some of these crevices if you can't tell. So hopefully today we can sand it and start actually spray painting the trailer so it'll be done. We're gonna do that, and I'm gonna set up a time lapse, and then I'll get back to you guys after I am done doing that second coat and filling in some of those cracks. Criminal prints. We can tell who walked on the freaking trailer. Almost done spraying this bitch. It's not looking too bad. I just gotta spray the inside of these wheel wells and then the inside of the trailer. But I think I'm doing an alright job. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm a little closer to being done, but I'm trying. It's difficult, to say the least. At least the sun's going down, so it's gotten a little cooler. But still, this is hard. As you can see, that's what it looks like before versus after. So, I mean, I'm getting there. Okay guys, I kind of look like a mess. It's fine. We just finished the trailer. I sanded it, I painted it, and then I sanded it again, painted it again. So I want to show you guys how it looks. We got the lights on. So I'll show you guys how it looks. Now the wet spots are the spots I touched up. But, I mean, other than that, it's done. And you can kind of see the before and after right here. I mean, that's before. And this is all after. So I'd say not too shabby. We got new lights on it. Got the Cybertruck. But it looks good. Looks brand spanking new. And you got all new lights. So, that was a success. Oh, jeez. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We got the Tesla, Cybertruck, trailer, my father, my mom's hiding, and there's Gizzy. But it's been a long, long day. We are finally done. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video. It's called Limitless Ayla for a reason. Who knows what the next video will be. See you guys for that one.